Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the wireless vacuum cleaner powerful Cyclone suction. If you're tired of dealing with pesky pet hair, food residue, and debris, then this handheld vacuum cleaner is the solution you've been looking for. With its 120W superpower motor, it provides strong suction up to 6 par, making it perfect for quick pickups, car cleaning, and home cleaning. But what sets this vacuum cleaner apart is its versatility. With multiple attachments, it supports all-round dry and wet cleaning, allowing you to easily clean up dust, debris, pet hair, and even liquids. Plus, it's cordless, lightweight, and portable, making it super convenient to use around the house or in your car. No more tangled cords or struggling to reach difficult spots. This vacuum cleaner takes the hassle out of cleaning. And let's not forget about the fast charge and multiple protections. The 3500 mAh Li-ion batteries can be fast charged within 3 to 4 hours and provide a 30-minute long-lasting running time. With intelligent power management technology, you can rest assured that your equipment is safe throughout the charging process. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the frustration of dealing with traditional vacuum cleaners and take your cleaning game to the next level, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the wireless vacuum cleaner powerful Cyclone suction. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.